Have you ever wondered how to actually use the teachings of Nikola Tesla and Neville Goddard to shape your life? It's not just to listen and nod along, but to apply them so reality bends to your inner state. Tesla gave us the mechanics, Neville gave us the method, and together they handed us a map that can transform how we live. Tesla famously said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." For years, people argued about what he meant, but look closely at his work. Tesla always pointed to rhythm, repetition, and frequency. The universe doesn't just respond once, it responds to patterns, 2 cycles. That's where 3, 6, and 9 come in. These numbers are not magic by themselves. They are reminders of rhythm. 3 points of alignment every day: morning, afternoon, night. 6 represents doubling, strengthening the pattern. 9 is the completion, the locking in of the state. Now, let's bring Neville into the picture. Neville said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Persist, and it will harden into fact." What does persistence actually look like? It's not forcing, it's not effort, it's returning to the state until it becomes normal. This is where Tesla's numbers and Neville's law come together. Use 3, 6, and 9 as anchors in your day. At 3 points in the morning, pause. Assume the state of your desire as though it is already real. Around 6 in the afternoon, return to it, strengthen it. And at 9 at night, before sleep, saturate yourself in it. That's the completion. You end your day in the state you wish to carry into tomorrow. Think of it like tuning a radio. The first time you tune in, there might still be static. But if you keep adjusting 3, 6, 9, you're locking onto the frequency until it becomes clear. That's how you train your nervous system to feel your new reality is normal. So how do you actually do it? Let's make it practical. Step 1, awareness. Tesla reminded us that everything is energy and vibration. Neville reminded us that your imagination is the creative word of God within you. So before you even try to create, notice what station you're tuned into now. Are you living in lack, fear, anxiety? Those feelings are frequencies. You can't trick the system. You must change the state you dwell in. Step 2, selection. Tesla said frequency is everything. Neville said dare to assume. The daring part matters because the facts around you will deny it. Your bank account, your circumstances, your body, all of it will scream, not yet. But the law doesn't ask for evidence. The law responds to your inner broadcast. So you choose the new frequency. You select the state of wealth or love or health, not as a wish, but as if it already is. Step 3, embodiment. This is where Neville's feeling is the secret connects with Tesla's science of vibration. To shift frequency, you can't just think it, you have to feel it. Imagine until your body reacts. You feel lighter, calmer, more expanded. That's not placebo, that's resonance. When Neville said to imagine a short scene implying your desire is fulfilled, he was giving you the simplest way to embody the frequency. Feel it until your nervous system believes it's home. Here's where Tesla's 369 becomes your daily practice. In the morning, take 3 minutes. Close your eyes and feel the wish fulfilled. Don't just think it'll let your body taste it. In the afternoon, give it 6 minutes. Revisit the state. Strengthen it. At night, before sleep, spend 9 minutes. Loop your imaginal scene until it feels natural. That rhythm is how you impress the subconscious and train your frequency. Morning sets the tone, afternoon locks it in, night sends it deep into the subconscious. That is the key. Tesla hinted at the law of rhythm applied to Neville's law of assumption. Step 4, persistence. Neville said, an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. Tesla showed us why. Energy reorganizes under repeated frequency. That's why one imaginal session isn't enough. You persist until it no longer feels like effort. If your assumption feels like effort, it means you're still wrestling with the old state. Don't panic. Just keep returning to the new state until it feels like home. That shift to normal is the exact moment your reality begins to change. Let's put this into an example. Suppose you want to manifest love. In the morning, during your 3 minutes, you imagine waking up beside your partner. Feel their presence. You hear their voice. In the afternoon, during your 6 minutes, you strengthen it to imagine introducing them to a friend or sharing a laugh. At night, in your 9 minutes before sleep, you let the scene loop. A hug, a kiss, the feeling of being cherished. Day after day, you return to this rhythm. Soon, your nervous system relaxes into it. Your body starts to expect it, and the universe has no choice but to mirror that vibration. Or imagine you want financial abundance. In the morning, you picture yourself logging into your account and seeing more than enough. In the afternoon, you imagine the relief of paying a bill with ease. At night, you fall asleep in the joy of knowing it's already done. You're not begging for it, you're tuning to it. That's Tesla's frequency. That's Neville's assumption. The truth is, this is not about convincing the universe. It's about convincing yourself. Once you are convinced, reality bends. Tesla showed us that the universe is vibration. Neville showed us that imagination directs vibration. Together they reveal the ultimate law. What you persist in feeling becomes what you live. So here's the challenge. Will you keep broadcasting the old state fear, lack, doubt? Or will you dare to select a new frequency and persist until it feels like home? Tesla gave us the science. Neville gave us the practice. 3, 6, 9 is not a magic code. It is the rhythm of persistence. Morning, noon, night, lock into your desired state. In Tesla's words, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe. In Neville's words, an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. This is the guide. Awareness, selection, embodiment. Persistence, 3, 6, 9. The science and the mysticism have met. The question is, will you use it?